Now that we've learned a little bit about gendered socialization, we are going to talk a little bit more specifically about feminine ways of leading. Just wanted to highlight this table from one of your readings, the Harvard Business Review reading, which talks about the most ideal leaders and their qualities, and in particular where they are seen as generally feminine or masculine. And those top 10 qualities that we would find in ideal leaders, at least from this research that was done back in 2012, 8 of those qualities are viewed as feminine and will then likely be qualities that individuals who have been socialized in feminine ways will exhibit, as opposed to those 2 qualities that are seen as being generally masculine. The feminine qualities, as you can read for yourself, are expressive, planning for the future, being reasonable, loyal, flexible, patient, intuitive, and collaborative. And then those masculine qualities, or the qualities that are seen as generally masculine, are decisive and resilient. Some additional research about leadership and how leaders are seen in general. So the Pew Research is usually considered to be kind of the pinnacle of research in social sciences. There's a lot of really fun stuff to see when you dive into their research, and one of the areas that they've looked at is leadership, gender in leadership, and they did some research in 2018 that shows that many humans believe that some of the things that male leaders are better at doing are that they work well under pressure, they negotiate well, and they are willing to take risks. That same research suggests that women leaders are better at doing this list of things. So they are better at creating a safe and respectful workplace. They're better at being compassionate and empathic and providing good pay and benefits. They value people with different backgrounds. They like to work out compromises. They're generally seen as being honest and ethical. They're good at mentoring. They consider the impacts of their business decisions on society, and they stand up for what they believe in. And also from one of your readings, the Bell Hooks excerpt from her Feminist Theory book. This is what I believe is pivotal to why women are socialized in the ways that they are to have those leadership qualities that they do. So just to put some words around what you will find when you look at the reading. So Bell Hooks has this theory about societal power dynamics that situate individuals with the relative most power at the center of the power structure, and individuals who have those attributes that push them towards the outsides, or the attributes that marginalize them, put them in different positions in society. She says that the more male, white, straight, educated, able-bodied, Christian in this country, the more that you have those types of attributes, the more at the center of power you will find yourself. And if you have attributes that push you outside of that, your gender, race, religion, ability, all of those things will push you further and further towards the margins and away from the power center. And those individuals who have been pushed to the margins generally have more skills in understanding and negotiating spaces where there are power structures, which are most all of our spaces in business and academia um, and families even in some cases. But this is a concept that kind of helps explain why many of those sought after leadership qualities are qualities that are found in individuals who have been socialized in relatively more feminine ways.